In this video, let's talk about how to use Shein's size guide to never buy items the wrong size. So if you're having issues whenever you purchase a product inside of Shein, you're not being able to get the right size, then what you can do in this situation is on every product inside of Shein, you'll have a section which says size guide. This is the section where you can find the exact measurements of your body type. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to know your exact size. By your own, you need to measure your different size such as shoulders, your bust, your length, depending upon the product that you're trying to purchase. So let's say you're trying to purchase a t-shirt. Firstly, you need to measure your exact shoulder, bust, as well as the length, so that you'd be able to know the exact size that you need to get for this particular item. You can also head over to the body chart and take a look at the height as well as the waist size depending upon what you need. By default, it is gonna be a region that you selected inside of your Shein account, but if not, you can also switch to different regions that may be available. Switch between centimeters as well as inch on the top of the screen. So using this exact feature, you'll be able to use the Shein's size guide in order to never buy the wrong size. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.